Good afternoon, friends. My name is Okoyeocha, reasoning for Land of the Rising Sun. This one I will be as quick as possible. It will be a short video. This one is for cryptos alone. Today I have time. I started to make a crypto analysis for the crypto traders alone. There are those who don't trade anything except crypto, so that if you jump back to all the videos, they won't like it. So I'm doing it for today because I have the time. Okay, so let's dive into the business. Bitcoin have been declining. Last week, I was thinking that the move has ended at 82, at 80K, at touch of 80K, but because I read the wave and I understand how they developed, I'm looking for a further drop. So Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to drop further to give us a new low. Probably we will likely see 74K, 76K zone. So I'm looking at this to happen. A move, a break of this place, a little correction, and a move. 75K zone is what I call it. So watch out for Bitcoin. For those who are buying Bitcoin, if you're trading futures or spot, I will advise you to take a profit. Meanwhile, this is not financial advice. I'm telling you how I trading. So if you're watching my video and following me, you are doing what I'm doing myself, and I don't say that I gain everything. But if you study under me, you know that you know what I'm doing in the market. When you lose small. When you gain big, or you gain little, or break even. So no room for big loss. That's one thing about knowing how to trade. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channel is free. Mentorship will cost you only $500. I'll mentor you until you are okay. I don't charge monthly or maybe squeeze the time for 6 months or 1 year. You will learn at your pace because some people have time to learn every day. Some have time only on the weekends. Some can equally learn fast. Some can learn slowly. What was that I will teach you until you are okay? So this is for BTC. Expect more drop. The next is Ethereum. The same situation is what I'm seeing on Ethereum. Let me put something here. Okay, so I'm also looking for a new low on Ethereum. A new low on Ethereum. Maybe 2,500 zone before we go higher on Ethereum. So no difference from Bitcoin. Litecoin, the same thing. I'm looking for it to drop further to give us something like 75, $76 before the next move. Okay, so that's for Litecoin. BNB, the same situation. BNB, I was looking for it to move to 919, 939, but the way I looked at it, we may not get it because others are dropping to equally drop with them. A new low, 780, 782, below 780 is what I'm looking at on Litecoin. Sorry, on BNB. SRP, SRP is somewhat different. For those, okay, now let me go with wave count. So whenever I'm counting wave, I'm conscious of what the market can do. That's why we call it forecast. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So I'm expecting it to give us wave 4 around here. Give us wave 5. Then it will drop somewhere like here, then going higher. So I don't expect S&P to give us a new low. There are some we expect new low, but this one, I don't expect new low on XRP. Okay, let's continue. Shiba, I'm also expecting new low on Shiba. Maybe, oh, zero carrier. Shiba will still drop further. We break this very low we have now. So Doji, the same thing. Doji will give us a new low, maybe 0.13175 before it will go up. So a new low is possible on Doji. For now, CRO, a new low is possible on CRO, no doubt. A new low, maybe 0.089 zone before we look for buy. BCH, Bitcoin Cash USDT. On this one, I don't expect a new low on this one. Okay, so maybe a kind of move like this to give us WXY. Okay, before we go up, a new low. I don't think it will happen on Bitcoin Cash. Okay, let's check daily chart. Now, the daily chart has given us 5 waves impulse. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then wave A, B, C, which become wave W. So this, we may get something higher like wave X here. Then wave Y, before we now buy again. So that's why I say that we may not get a new low on BCH. I mean, that is before this move. I don't know. I don't have time to teach you all that. Based on 4 hours, we don't look for a new low. The new low is here. Before then, we will likely get a move up before we get this. That's what I'm trying to say. On 4-hour time frame, I don't know how I will teach you. Join the class and you will learn everything so that whenever you open your charts, you know what to do. CHZ. CHZ. No volatility on this one. CHZ will give us a new low. This 0.0266 will likely be broken. So expect it to drop, give us a new low before going higher. VET, the same situation, VET, we are looking for it to drop to 0.118 zone before the new high. So in any case, so many cryptos are selling. So be careful if you are buying. Yes, it will buy, but it's good to buy at the right time, sell at the right time. So ZEC USDT, expect a further drop. So ZIL, a further drop, a new low, 0.00554 zone before we buy again. QNT, I bought this last week. I made some money, so now I remove it. This I don't expect a new low on this. Meanwhile, I expect it to correct. Maybe to the tune of this zone. A move lower will happen, then it will buy. Okay, QNT. I don't want to talk about field. Sand will equally drop 0.1433 zone before we buy. Many of them we surely drop. DGB USDT, a drop 0.0056 zone before we buy. Many of them are dropping. Cryptos are many, so I will stop here. If you want to have more, if you want to see more, join my channel. You make a request. If I have time, I will do that. Then to learn how I make analysis, join my student groups. The charge is not much. OGN around 0.032. It will give us a new low. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Ethereum Classic, a new low, maybe 12.21, then we buy. Cryptos are many, so I can't cover all. I just selected the few. Link is equally will equally drop. A new low, maybe $11 zone. It begin to buy. I don't have. Okay, let me look for. There are some cryptos that people like, which I don't have on my list. Let me look for Jupe and Sol. Oh, I missed this trade. I missed this trade. I wanted to buy from here, then I missed it. Wahala. Sometimes you meet, you get. Sometimes you miss. You better miss than lose. It's better that you miss a trade than you lose that trade. So when I miss a trade, I don't take pain because the market is there, not going away. Okay, what next on this one? A drop to this zone, then it will buy. Okay, so that's the end of the chart for cryptos. See you next week, or join my Telegram channel, or join my mentorship. God bless you.